tayo. Hindi ka na makita, okay lang yan.
Sir.
Ano ganap po dyan, sir?
One, sir. Two, sir. Three, sir.
Nasa mo yung ilong niya?
Yun na. Vince, tugtugin mo yung ano. Holo Pain. Oo, gago, Holo Pain. Dali. Oh. Yan na, lapang ko. Hindi, gagi. Para kay AG ito, pre. Hindi. Para kay AG. Oh, dali. Oh, drop ang corno. Tang ilang yun, apat pa yan. Kompleto na yung ni Vince eh. Game. Uy. Wait lang, straight yun lang ako. Drop ang corno. Sige. Yun, 10 lang. Ikaw magkamaji. Down! Up! Wait lang! Down lang, Jing! Up! Tang lang yan. Down! Ano ba yun? Down! Up! Master! 20 na ah! Down! Tangina mo, 25 na! Down! Up! Wait lang! Down lang! Up! 30 na, tama na yan! Ang sakit! Up! Ano na? Yung una sa inyo! Down! Up! Down! Up! Ilan? Down! Ikaw ang magbibilang! 6! Down! 7! Up! 8! Down! Up! 9! Down! 10! Down! Up! Bahala kayo dyan! Down! Ang sakit na! Up! Down! Up! Awit! Baguhin mo! Baguhin mo! Albo! Nice one! Nice one! Oy, oy, oy! Sa stage!
Ming! Ming! Naharap si Kuya. Bonding yarn.
Goggles on the sky. It's moving deep inside.
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Okay guys, dito tayo sa masi-masi natin
It's
ngayon.
4 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna do some push-up.
Okay.
Let's make 30, 30, 30.
30. Ready. Yeah.
Okay,
30
let's go.
Let's go.
Bilang ha.
Down. One.
Up.
Down.
May napulot akong bata sa labas. Sabi niya, gutom na gutom daw siya. So, pinakain ko. Ayan, kasi
Ako'y tatayo, pangako, tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa. Sa tuwing na ako'y gagapang ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa pa ba? Pahinga muna, ako na. Sa palasyo, habang tayo'y naglalakbay, ako'y nahulog sa'yo.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing. Hanging by a thread, my heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? For it's too late. take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss, and I don't know where I could find the strength to let you go when the only life I've come to know packed his bags and left me alone. He found another home. So before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you, and I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
Watching trains go past, all of my life.
Takot kung sakali mang ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan. Di ba sa'kin, di ka sasaktan mula noon hanggang ngayon, ika't ako.
Ano, ko sa iyong pamamahal ang dudulot sa pag-ibig na di na matatagal. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mo maliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di maasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Malabay lang ako ha. Parang action ako. Ano yan, diba?
At ngayon, nandito na, palaging hahawakan iyong mga kamay.
Di ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginawa ay ibig
Sabi mo kay Jay, huwag magpakalasing. Ano sabi ah?
Mula noon hanggang dulo, ikaw at ako.
Para kanina yan, tol. Itapon mo na.
Ay, may video ka din? Oo. Ano ka dapat dyan?
Kaya ko rin yung heaven nose eh.
Sama ka dyan.
Kaso hindi ako pang heaven.
Pang hell.
Hindi, kailangan yata yung punasan.
Hellendo.
Sinend ko kay Emily.
Ay mo, proud nanay, tsaka proud kapatid.
yan, kalma lang, tama na ba? Hindi alam mo yan. Ano mo? Bakit nababisan yung kalma mo? Ano pa? Ako, ano?
Machiavelli. Bitches come and go, bro, but you know I stay.
Роскомздрав не запретит. Симпл-симпл. Симпл-симпл.
I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid gag, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Like catching 40 winks, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fuse I make. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in This angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so.